It's not always pleasant to talk of our intestines because the symptoms we experience when something's wrong can be extremely uncomfortable and gross. Diarrhea, flatulence, and constipation are some of the most common symptoms associated with intestinal health problems. However, it's incorrect to think that in order to maintain a healthy bowel, we need to follow a detox plan that takes days or obey a fairly restrictive diet. In fact, small changes in our eating habits can make a big difference and help our intestine at getting better at eliminating the toxins that build up from our diet. You can incorporate some healthy juices like the one we are going to share in today's video in your diet, and that will improve your digestive tract and intestinal function and cleansing. The recipe calls for ginger. Ginger helps reduce abdominal bloating and flatulence and is also beneficial for people suffering from irritable bowel syndrome. Green apples. Because they're rich in soluble fiber, they improve intestinal transit. Apart from its laxative effect, the pectin contained in green apples stimulates the development of our intestinal flora. Lemon. Lemon juice is great for our intestines because it eliminates toxins and stimulates the peristaltic movement that makes us want to use the bathroom. Sea salt. Sea salt stimulates bowel movements and helps remove toxins from our body. Now that you know a little about the benefits, here's the recipe. You will need half a cup of green apple juice, can be red if need be, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, half a teaspoon of quality sea salt, 1 cup of filtered water. Start by placing the water in a pot on the stove without letting it reach a boiling point. The water should be warm enough to where you can still drink it. Then pour the water into a glass and add the salt, mixing well. Then add the apple, ginger, and lemon juice. The ginger juice can be made by grating it and then squeezing its juice out. Stir the ingredients well, and you're done. This juice will stimulate your bowel, so you may need to use the bathroom more often. Try and drink this juice on a day where you aren't too busy, just in case. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.